Mishimelon.
Bimmy loves to count. This is number 1. There is 1 tree. This is number 2. There are 2 cherries. This is number 3. There are 3 balloons. This is number 4. There are 4 flowers. This is number 5.
Wow.
There are 5 cupcakes. Bimmy loves numbers. Bimmy loves finding shapes. Bimmy is playing with a ball. This ball is round. Bimmy is opening a box. This box is square. Bimmy is opening a box. This box is square. Bimmy is eating pie. This piece of pie is a triangle. Bimmy is looking in the mirror. The mirror is oval. Bimmy has a nice picture. This picture is a rectangle. Bimmy loves shapes. Bimmy is on a picnic. This is grass. The grass is green. This is a blanket. The blanket is blue. This is a flower. The flower is pink. This is a flower. The flower is pink. This is a picnic basket. The picnic basket is yellow. This is a strawberry. The strawberry is red. Bimmy loves picnics. It's mealtime. This is a salad. The salad is crunchy. This is bread. The bread is warm. This is bread. The bread is warm. The bread is warm. This is a pizza. The pizza is tasty. This is a cupcake. The cupcake is sweet. These are donuts. The donut is colorful. Bimmy loves yummy food. Bimmy is making a smoothie. This is a banana. The banana is peeled. This is an apple. The apple is crunchy. This is an orange. The orange is juicy. This is a lemon. The lemon is sour. This is a pineapple. The pineapple is prickly. Bimmy loves smoothie. Bimmy is on a safari. Look at that lion. The lion is the king. Look at that giraffe. The giraffe is very tall. Look at that monkey. Monkeys swing on trees. Look at that elephant. The elephant is big. Look at that koala. The koala eats leaves. Bimmy loves the jungle. Bimmy is at the farm. This is a cow. The cow gives milk. This is a chicken. The chicken gives eggs. This is a sheep. The sheep gives wool. This is a pig. The pig is eating acorns. This is a horse. The horse loves hay. Bimmy loves the farm. Bimmy is at home. This is a sofa. The sofa is comfy. This is a chair. The chair is wooden. This is a pillow. The pillow is soft. This is a table. The table is for dining. This is a shelf. The shelf has books. Bimmy loves his house. It is playtime! This is a rattle. The rattle shakes. These are building blocks. Bimmy builds a castle. This is a ball. The ball is bouncy. This is a drum. The drum makes a beat. This is a kite. The kite flies. Bimmy loves his toys. Bimmy is downtown. This is a bus. The bus is for kids. This is a scooter. The scooter is small. This is a submarine. The submarine swims. This is an airplane. The airplane flies. This is a boat. The boat sails. Bimmy loves transports. Bimmy is dressing up. These are shorts. The shorts are comfy. This is a shirt. The shirt is soft. These are socks. The socks are pretty. These are boots. The boots are nice. This is a cap. The cap is stylish. Bimmy loves dressing up. Bimmy went diving. This is a jellyfish. The jellyfish is gliding. This is a dolphin. The dolphin is friendly. This is a squid. The squid has ink. This is a seahorse. The seahorse is tiny. This is a clam. The clam has a pearl. Bimmy loves the ocean.